Throw my hat. My hat. My hat's where it's at.
The hat is where it's at.
That's right. All right, guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome to Home on the Hitch. We're traveling around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow's not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
hang out with us for a little while. Let us answer some questions for you today. Let's see if I can get it right. Chihuahua State Park.
I think.
Yeah.
Chihuahua
State Park, Auburn, Alabama. And so it's a really big park. It's about 700 acres. Really nice improved campground and several waterfalls, one of which at the lake you can see right behind me. So,
and people are swimming.
Yeah,
and it's just a great day in the summer.
We're gonna snoop around this place for a little while and see what we can come up with. So join us, Home on the Hitch. And some induction cooktop pans. Got it. Forgot the chips. She forgot the chips. What?
That's so weird because I never had them in my hand.
There's no chips?
It's not looking like there's any chips. You're gonna have to just do.
Well,
shit.
we should have bought some chips at Walmart.
Well, I thought I had packed the chips.
Honey,
I guess they
there's no chips.
I guess they didn't get that.
Honey, there's no chips.
Backpack.
My backpack. I got the backpack map. Map pack.
Just gonna put my phone right there too.
Yeah.
Because it's easier to get to.
Yeah. Well, you got a dog?
I got a dog. I'm carrying a dog because the pavement is hot.
Oh, it's hot. All right, so Chihuahua State Park in Auburn, Alabama. It's got a lot of biking activities. A lot of pretty cool stuff. But there are a lot of hiking trails and a lot of biking trails. Chihuahua State Park. So I think we're just gonna do a short little hike down here to maybe check out a waterfall. There's supposed to be a couple here, so let's see what we can find out. It's a little warm, a little humid. Why is it always gotta be down?
Oh, well then it's gonna be up.
I know, that's what I mean.
I'd rather start out up.
Me too.
I already have toe bump in my shoe. Oh,
Uh-oh.
hello.
Butterfly. Hi, butterfly. Watch out, honey. You gotta go this way, baby. All right, let's stop. You want to stop and let these people? Go to mama.
No, come here. Hey. What are you barking at me for?
Wow. Goodness gracious. My goodness.
We're gonna walk back up that way.
Yeah, that's not quite as steep. This is. Yeah, check it out. Pretty groovy. This entire area down through
So it's interesting how the shoals are. They're very similar to the ones that we saw at the Cherokee National Forest.
Right. Looks like there's a lot of trash drove around.
It's disgusting.
Well, that's just picking up trash. Don't leave your trash down here, people. Keep doing stuff like that. Won't be none of this left for us to enjoy. Look at this pool. That's nice. What is that? Just leaving stuff down here. Not good. Always carry water, folks. Oh, that's good.
Come here.
Oh, it's little.
It's like a diaper.
That's not the way it goes at all. Well, there goes my glasses. And dropping all my stuff.
Chualaca.
Chualaca. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chualaca State Park. Maybe.
Chualca. It's Chualca. Alca.
Chualca. So Alabama has really nice state parks anyway.
Oh, I love Alabama state parks.
Yeah. Our favorite's DeSoto. Well, so far anyway. But DeSoto has really huge sites that are so far apart, and they're all just like super level and set up really nice. And this campground's really nice. I don't think there's as many sites here.
Oh no, I don't think so.
There's two small loops. We'll get this loop and the next loop for RV camping.
And then they have a primitive loop.
And they have an entire primitive setup. This state park, though, Chualaca,
something
like that, is like, it seems to be really focused on like mountain biking and stuff like that. So if that's your thing,
because they have tons of trails.
Trails everywhere, and these big wooden berms. I'm trying to get some footage of some people going over it. Just mountain bike trails everywhere, and a bunch of hiking trails as well. So let's walk down here and we'll see what we can find.
So do you want to stop at the chill spot?
The chill spot. Okay. So
they have public swimming area in the lake here, and so they have this awesome little
chill spot,
cool place to get you
frozen lemonade and popsicles. How about that? So they have a lake. I don't know if it's a man-made lake or if it's natural. I know the waterfall that we were at yesterday on that side of the lake is man-made. There's some other waterfalls on the other side that are not, but
no, and but with the waterfall too, all of the buildings, they all share local rocks that are around here, so the buildings themselves are absolutely gorgeous.
There's a lot to see at the state parks, so definitely encourage you to get out there and visit your state parks and the surrounding states, because all kinds of stuff. There goes a mountain biker right there.
All right, diving platform is closed.
Oh man, I was going to do a triple Lindy. Anybody know what that movie's from? Or that saying, what movie that saying's from?
What was it, a triple Wendy?
Triple Lindy.
That's from Fast Times at Ridgemont High.
What was the actor that said?
Oh, Sean Penn.
No.
Oh, no. It was the dark-haired dude.
It was, no.
Who said that?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The movie was Back to School, and the actor was Rodney Dangerfield.
Oh.
Because he went back to school, and was going to do a triple Lindy on high
This
dive.
is true. I remember that now.
Which is a impossible dive. But I was going to do one here, but they said they closed it. So.
But he did one and succeeded.
Yeah. Not here.
No.
Okay.
In the movie.
It's a cool looking lake.
It's a lovely color of brown that we're accustomed to.
Lake water, yeah. People just kind of hanging out doing
Because we have red dirt.
Yeah. That's what, you know, Georgia and Alabama red clay. So, good place to come hang out.
Oh, it's so peaceful. I love it.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
You can hear the waterfall.
There's a dock down there.
So if you look right far way over there in the distance where that little white sign is, see if I can. So if you look right over there, that is the top of the waterfall that we were at yesterday.
Hi.
I had brought that orange scooter.
Oh,
Me
man.
and Clementine would have tackled that.
I would have liked to seen that.
I'd be like, scoot, scoot, scoot. It'd be like X Games. What? It'd be the X Games. So this is the other little loop here for RV spots anyway. It's right there.
And these are all full hookups?
Yeah, they're all full hookups with sewer and electric and water. There are a few sites around in some other parts of the park, I believe, that are water and electric only, but good thing Mel came equipped with hiking shoes.
Oh, I'm dressed properly.
Dressed properly. Got all the appropriate anti-bug gear.
Yeah. Moisturized my legs before we left.
Sweeten them all up so the ants can get on there.
Well, I didn't know that we were going hiking.
We're not. Clementine would, oh my God, you're gonna bust your butt.
Well, especially because I have no depth perception. Woo! I got my hands up. This is a video. Look. I went, woo!
This is really slippery right here.
Okay, well.
Here, let me come help you. All right, so you fly down through here.
I'm gonna run through this one.
Don't run in flip-flops. This right here. So if you look at the on the Alabama State Park webpage, that ramp back there is like the picture. There's a bike up on it. So, yeah.
You know he was hauling to be doing
Oh
that
man,
too.
he's way up on it too. Yeah.
So let us know what is your favorite state park that you've been in and why. We might want to visit there too.
You're right, and everybody, let everybody know. So maybe folks can go.
And if you're interested in state parks, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
That's right. Thumbs up, notification bell. Help us out.
Here are the primitive sites.
Pro tip from Thomas. While walking in the woods, you guys might wonder why I'm always videoing Melissa as we're walking through the woods or whatever.
It's not
That's
just because I'm
because
pretty. Just kidding.
She'll be the first one to hit the spider web. So always have somebody in front of you so they can run into the spider webs for you.
Sometimes you have to kill them for them too. Oh, this is somebody's.
I was hoping to catch the spider dance on film, but maybe one time later. Whew, it's hot. All right, let's go see what the Hun Dog is up to. If you don't want to hit that subscribe button, then just take a moment and pause the video and take a picture with your, or hold your camera phone up there, and you can subscribe.
Or share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. They all need a little home on the hedge. Oop. Almost showed you the code.
We thought you was a code.
Thought you was a code. The whole Gopher Village. Oh, it's a little dog.
It's a little Gopher Village.
Hi.
I know how
Hi, baby.
I know how to work the screen.
Oh, I go right through it. Yeah, come on in. Let's go inside. Let's get inside. Ooh.